that I'm lame. Remembering back to us talking on aim and stealing your heart, that was never my aim. See, I let you leave and now nothing's the same. I'm picking your brain, you pick me apart. I'm picking your heart, you left me in dark. I guess all the pain and the hurt and the worry you left me with turned to the shell of a saw. Damn, do we end arm in arm? Are we Armageddon? Guess you never know, cause you never let him show you how he love and he trust and he cared about all of his shows, but you never were there. So let's really see if you cared. Knew if you needed, then he would be there. To put all the blame onto you isn't fair, but all you care about is your makeup and hair. You're taking a selfie, I'm taking your shit. I see all your pics, I see who you pick.
Are you all ready? I don't think you're ready. You don't understand, man. It's time. Fidget spin. Time to fucking fidget spin. Zombies on fire! Fidget spin. Cause that's the cool thing to do. Fidget spin is for everybody. Look, we have a new box meme. I'm gonna blast you. Boom! No! Meme that. The fidget spin box. Yeah. So if you don't know what the fidget spinner, and apparently you've been living under a disease-filled shit rock, the fidget spinner is a device created for autistic children, but apparently people who weren't autistic took it and made it a fucking trend that made you want to shoot yourself in the fucking skull.
Let's do it! I'm playing some CS Source right now. We can get some footage of that. Go back! Yeah! Boom! Headshot! Boom! Headshot! I can dance all day! I can dance all day! Try to hit me! Try to hit me! Come on! Boom! Headshot! Yeah! Yeah! Dude! Woo! Take that, bitch! So like, this is my PC here. It owns! It owns! Yeah! So yeah, I like FPS it.
Because everyone walks around with one. And if you bought one, you ended up regretting it. Because you look like a dumbass with it in public. Or like a fucking 4-year-old. Fidget spinner, guys! Fidget spinner! Like a fidget, fucking fidget spin. Fuck yeah. This is the way of life now. You can't just walk out on the street like a normal fucking human. You gotta fidget spin. You know, I do like the dick, like, she fidget spins on my dick memes. Absolutely fucking excellent, right? Yeah, just absolute fantastic memes, my boys.
Brittany Venti recently came across your stream and decided to record a reaction to one of your videos. Please check it out.
What?
I hope you enjoy.
No way. What? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's watch this. I think the frog likes tea. Is that Lubriderm? I love Lubriderm because like their like lotion actually like makes you feel like softer and stuff. What's he doing?
Oh yeah.
What's he doing?
Oh yeah. Eat that. Oh.
So not only is he jerking his chicken.
God damn it.
Today, we have special videos to watch. We will be fidget spin. We will be reviewing a fidget spinning channel with multiple videos. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what the trend is all about. There we got it. This guy's channel is named Fidget Spinner. Whoa! What a creative name. Really thought it out there, buddy. Wow, that's the coolest fucking name ever. You know what? Fuck the channel being called Brock Kavanaugh. Our channel is now gonna be Fidget Spinner, but not just fidget spinner. Fire back. Just to really get the message out there. Just fidget spinning is good for everybody. I'll make videos of me jerking off with my fidget spinner. Definitely great ideas here, boys. Okay, let's get into this video. Fidget toy spinner giveaway. WinAspinner.com, promoting their website. Let's see what this video is about. Ready, go, and play. Didn't play yet? Started now. The fuck is this music? Are we Indian? Oh, it's like an alien. Fidget spinner, come here. With the alien of space. With a fidget spinner, communicate with the alien. This video makes me wanna die. Fidget spin. Golden fidget spinner. It can communicate with the dead and the aliens, and it is connected to the Indian home times and land. When and now to communicate with your dead Indian ancestors who are really important to history. Fidget spinner. Kids want fidget spinners tied to history of Indians and can communicate to aliens. Fidget spin now, fidgets. Did you not see my fidgetspinner.com on the screen yet? Did I not promote it enough? It make you want to fucking stab yourself? No? Well, we'll keep doing it. How fuck? This is a minute and 41 seconds. It feels like it's been an hour. Jesus. Oh, it's over. Thank God. Okay, that was the first one on their channel. Absolutely an amazing video. I can't see what's absolutely wrong with that. This dude only has 1,000 subscribers. That video has 2.3k views. The fuck is wrong with the world? Oh, God. All right, let's get to the next one. This one's a minute long. Hand spinner fidget giveaway. It's not just a fidget spinner. It's a fucking hand fidget spinner, dude. This is what it's about. It's not about fuck your classic old bitch ass fucking fidget spinner. It's a hand fidget spinner. It's not just a fidget spinner. It's a hand fidget spinner, dude. That's the most like that oh God, I can't wait to watch this. This is gonna be fucking great. Alright, let's go. Start with now. Oh shit. Oh, this is about to go into a rap lyrics, bro. Is he gonna rap? Yo, fidget spinners make you want to die. Ain't gonna lie, motherfucker. Don't you want to cry a little bit? Cause this is what this generation's about. It's spinning stupid plastic pieces of shit. Legit. Yeah. Oh yeah. I love it. He has to, he's like fucking so ad on his videos. Winnerspinner.com, guys. Winnerspinner. Wait, is it a spinner? It says spinner. You should have fidget spinner to make sure. This is This is the hand fidget spinner. This isn't your normal fucking fidget spinner, okay? This is your hand fidget spinner. It can do more than what the fuck the other one could. It can't communicate dead Indians and space aliens. This one connects to your body. It connects to your hands, man. It is so connected to you. It's over. It is so connected to you. You'll question life, man. It will change your whole life, and any stress that you ever have for the rest of your life will fade away, because you'll feel the connection with the fidget spinner. Don't forget, winaspinner.com. Did you see it? Please go on there. I'm so desperate to put up my .com. Look, I made a website. Winaspinner.com. This one, next one is called Best Fidget Spinner Giveaway. It isn't just a normal fucking fidget spinner giveaway. It's the best one fucking ever, dude. Best. It's number one to fuck around. Fuck anything else you got. Mine's the best, bitch. Let's dig in, man. Let's dig in. Starts now.
Why do I want a fidget spinner?
Why do you want a fidget spinner?
Everyone wants a fidget spinner. They're that addictive little toy that you spin around and fun to play with. I want one, and luckily everyone wants one. I would like a spinner because
they all want a fidget spinner.
Everyone likes to spin them around, and I'm in class or whenever, I'm always fidgeting, but I can't fidget.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I always fidget with my pen, and it makes a big noise. I don't know, my friend's got one. BK Vlogs, link in the description, he's got one. He spins them around in class, and then he never gives me a go. But yeah, that's my reason why I want a fidget spinner.
Hey guys, click the link and sign up to win a free fidget spinner.
Okay, so that's the end of it, you know. Real quick, before we end the video, the guy needs a fidget spinner so he can think. So he can fit in class. Real quick though, subscribe. Go to winaspinner.com so you can get a fidget spinner. You see that guy that wanted that fidget spinner? He got the fidget spinner. So now he's like slaying all the class pussy because he got his fidget spinner. No one's gonna. It's over. He got the fidget spinner and like holy shit, he's fucking got a fidget spinner now, dude. Oh well, let's be best friends. I never gave up. I didn't realize that we needed fidget spinners to communicate. I need a fidget spinner because everyone fidgets. I don't even have a disability, but hey, fidget spinner, right? Everyone, in conclusion to this video today, fidget spinners are life or death situations. They can communicate to aliens. They can communicate to dead Indians, and they're the sole reason that the planet is alive and the fact that you breathe air. So you need a fidget spinner to walk around and look like a dumbass. Because if you don't, well, you're just not fitting in, dude. You gotta get the fidget spinner, look like a fucking moron walking down the road, and fit in with everybody. So unless you get a fidget spinner, you're fucked. Okay, that's the conclusion. You know, it's a great toy for kids, but for adults, you look like you just, why the fuck do you even own it? Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned the importance of a fidget spinner. That about does it for my review on this trend. And yeah, that about does it for me. So I'm out of here. So see you later.
It's Mr. High Ass me again, so sad, I need a friend. Thought y'all could sedate, your mistake was putting a needle in. Y'all broke skin, now all the demons, they keep on creeping in. Your mouth is full of shit, I might hit the lip when I piss in it. I took a pic and posted on my Twitter like, what's happening? I hope that I can get a couple likes and find a better bitch with nice tits, a nice ass, some nice lips, a nice back.
Disclaimer, I do not own any of the music or pictures in this video, and sometimes video in this video. All rights go to the makers. I don't claim any of these rights as mine.